If you're into crypto, you might have heard about the latest buzz around Bitcoin Ordinals. But what are they exactly and why should you care? Well, Ordinals are basically NFTs on the Bitcoin blockchain, and they're quickly becoming the talk of the market. People are rushing back to Bitcoin because they can earn yields and profits through Ordinals. Plus, since Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency, it's the most trusted, decentralized, and secure blockchain out there. What makes Ordinals different from other NFTs? For one, they're much more complex and harder to inscribe. They're also connected to specific Satoshis, which makes them even more valuable. And unlike other blockchains, where NFT value is based on scarcity, in Bitcoin Ordinals, value is all about their issuance. So why are Ordinals so important? For one, they could be the fix that cures payments for miners after the Bitcoin halving has lowered the issuance rate to nearly zero. And since everything including Ordinals becomes more valuable on Bitcoin, demand is likely to increase, resulting in the price going up even further. Perhaps the bigger importance of Ordinals is that they could be the catalyst that returns Bitcoin to its roots of new developments, experimentation, and building. And that means exciting times ahead for the Bitcoin ecosystem. So what do you think? Are Bitcoin Ordinals the next big thing? Let me know in the comments below and drop a follow.